Quick, it's going to be quick. Hey, Lois Threlkel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. We're here with Paula. We're going to hear from her because she's so cool. Paula.
Oh my God, you guys, hi! You guys have to come to these events with these two rock stars if you guys want to take your business to the next level. Hello! What else is needed? Look at this. Show them how many people are in there. There's like not even any room.
Oh, standing room only. See, this guy's standing.
Can't wait to see you guys at the next event next month.
That's right. And this is a way to grow your business. Is that right?
Absolutely. These are the events that you want to get to every single month so you can get to that next level in your life and your business and everything else.
And
Absolutely.
how's your business going?
It's been amazing. I will tell you that last year we ended with the boom, and we've taken our business to the next level. And you know that's what we do every year. We just continue to grow in every aspect. So absolutely.
And don't forget, six-finger ring earner in this company. Six figure.
Wait,
Six figure.
are you getting rings for all 6 fingers?
That's what we're trying. Let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Working on it.
Cool, man. All right, thank you for your time.
Okay.
Lois Threlkel, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Talk to you soon, and dream bigger. Yeah, dream bigger.